Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the optical drive, if installed, and base enclosure. Removal. Note: ensure that the battery cable is disconnected from its connector on the system board. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the USB board ZIF connector and disconnect the USB board ribbon cable from the system board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Remove the USB board ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the fan and subwoofer. Remove the two 5mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the USB board to the top cover. Lift the USB board off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Place the USB board in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the USB board from the static dissipative bag. Place the USB board onto its alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the two 5mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the USB board to the top cover. Insert the USB board ribbon cable into the USB board ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Route the USB board ribbon cable through the routing channel on the subwoofer and fan and apply pressure to the length of the ribbon cable to adhere it into position.